leads us to benefit number 8. Electric cars are more safe. Electric cars are more safe compared to internal combustion engine cars. Why? We mentioned walang gas yung electric cars, except for hybrids. They replaced it with batteries. Batteries are generally heavy. If you get a AA battery, whether it's rechargeable or not, medyo may weight siya, mabigat. And that is probably the heaviest part of an electric vehicle. So, malaki yung batteries ng electric vehicles. Imagine hundreds of AA-like batteries pag didikit-dikitin, and then isiseal nila ng metal. So, it's going to be called battery pack kasi it's literally packed. It's sealed, and where do they put it? They put it usually on the floor of the car. When you have heavy battery pack sitting low to the ground, it lowers the center of gravity. And as a result, it improves the car's stability. Where yung chance if nabangga ka kung magro-roll over ka, like very minimal sa electric cars. Kasi yung weight niya nasa ilalim. Compared dun sa internal combustion engine cars, ang mabigat na part niya yung engine, so nasa harap. And if full tank ka, marami kang gas, nandun yan sa bandang likod usually. So, magkahiwalay. Unlike with the electric cars, andito siya sa gitna, sa ilalim. So, nandun yung weight niya. It also provides structural support at the same time. Okay, think about it. The chassis of the vehicle and then the batteries, pag nagkaroon ng side collision, let's say binangga ka sa gilid, same height ng car, pareho kayong sedan, binangga ka sa gilid, what will happen? Anong tatamaan una? Your chassis, right? And then right next to the chassis is battery muna. Right? And then, ikaw. So, masisira muna yung chassis, then there's another thing na masisira which is battery. So, mas mabigat siya, mas okay siyang structural support. That is why it is more safe to ride an electric car. Not only it is safe, but it will also significantly improve the handling and driving comfort. And finally, the last benefit of electric cars, and for me, this is the most important benefit. Benefit number 9, energy security. Right now, the Philippines is highly dependent on petroleum imports.